Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can set up fingerprint lock in your POCO C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Now you have to scroll down, click on security and privacy. Here it is device unlock. Just click on the fingerprint. Then friends, you have to apply the password. Here it is fingerprint. You have to tap on this, click on add fingerprint. You can just click on this. You can see this is how you can lift and then touch again. And friends, you can see fingerprint is added successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.